Welcome back to Learn English with Stories. Getting promoted sounds exciting, right? But what happens when you suddenly have more responsibility and people start looking at you differently? Today's story is about Sarah, an employee who received her first promotion. At first, she felt proud, but very quickly she realized something unexpected. Let's begin. Sarah had been working in the company for nearly 2 years. She was known for being hardworking, reliable, and always willing to support her team. Her manager often trusted her with important tasks, and because of that, many people believed she had strong potential. One morning, Sarah received a meeting request from her manager. She didn't think much about it, but when she walked into the room, her manager smiled. "Sarah," he said, "I have some good news." Sarah felt a small sense of excitement. "We've decided to promote you to team leader." For a moment, Sarah was surprised. Then she smiled. "Thank you," she said. "I really appreciate this opportunity." That day, Sarah felt proud. Her hard work had been recognized. But the next day, things felt different. Now she was no longer just a team member. She was the team leader. People started asking her questions. They expected her to make decisions. They looked to her for direction. At first, Sarah felt unsure. "Am I ready for this?" she wondered. One situation made things even more difficult. Her colleague James, who used to work closely with her, now had to report to her. At first, their conversations felt awkward. They were friends before, but now their roles had changed. One day, Sarah needed to review James's work. She noticed several mistakes. For a moment, she hesitated. Should I say something? Will this affect our relationship? But then she remembered her new responsibility. As a leader, she needed to be honest and supportive, so she decided to talk to him. "James, I'd like to discuss your report," she said. Her tone was calm and respectful. "I think there are a few areas we can improve," she continued. "Let's go through them together." James listened. At first, he seemed a bit uncomfortable, but as the conversation continued, things became easier. They discussed the issues, they found solutions, and by the end of the meeting, the tension was gone. Over time, Sarah became more confident. She learned how to communicate clearly. She learned how to support her team. She learned how to make decisions. It wasn't always easy, but every challenge helped her grow. One day, her manager spoke to her again. "You're doing a great job," he said. Sarah smiled. She had been nervous at the beginning, but now she understood something important. A promotion is not just a reward, it is a new responsibility. And with the right mindset, it can be the beginning of real growth. Now that you've heard the story, let's go through some useful business English words and phrases, along with practical examples that you can use in real situations. First, let's look at the word promotion, which refers to moving to a higher position with more responsibility. For example, you might say, "She got a promotion after 2 years of hard work." Or, in a real situation, "I was promoted to team leader last month." Next, we have the phrase team leader, which refers to someone who manages and guides a team. In real life, you might say, "As a team leader, I need to support my team members," or "He was promoted to a team leader role." Moving on, we come to the word responsibility, which refers to tasks and duties you must handle. For example, "This role comes with more responsibility," or "She is responsible for managing the project." Another important term is feedback, which means giving comments to help someone improve. In real situations, you might say, "I gave constructive feedback to my colleague," or "Good feedback helps people develop their skills." We also have the word decision, which refers to a choice you make. For example, as a manager, you need to make important decisions. Or, he made a quick decision during the meeting. Finally, let's look at the phrase build trust, which means to create a strong and positive relationship. In real situations, you might say, leaders need to build trust with their team, or good communication helps build trust. So, what can we learn from this story? A promotion is not just about success, it is about growth and responsibility. If you can communicate clearly, support others, and adapt to new challenges, you can become a strong and effective leader. If you want to improve your business English through real-life situations, stories like this can help you both in language and in mindset. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more stories. See you in the next video.